Hi, this restaurant is like a train.
പല സ്ഥലത്തും ഇപ്പോൾ കാണാമല്ലോ ഇത്.
Hi, this restaurant is like a train. We are in Kozhikode. But look at this. Like a train.
Seats are like berths in a train.
Seats are like train and the windows are also like train.
Fan is also
And it's birth.
Fans is also. And there's some bunk bed. We can't climb.
It's called NBK restaurant.
It's called MBK restaurant.
NBK.
Restaurant. It's near. It's near Kozhikode railway station, and the terrace ladder in Calicut. Like the video, so you go in there already. It's so stylish. It's like I like trains so much.
Actually, I have a full video.
ഇതിന്റെ round ആയിട്ട്.
Look. Look.
Seat numbers.
I'll show the seat numbers. It's fake. Right? Right now. This is light switch. It's not. Bye. Like, subscribe,
ശരി.
thumbs up.